Discovered that polar ice is melting 3 times faster than it was 20 years ago. More than 20 polar research teams that have been studying ice in Greenland and Antarctica say the melting is already causing sea levels to rise. Emma Hayward reports.
A typical Arctic scene, and much of Greenland looks like this, for now at least. For years we've been told the ice is disappearing. And now researchers say the rate at which it's melting is accelerating. Combining Greenland and Antarctica, the loss of ice is 3 times as much today as it was in the 1990s. And that's led to a contribution of just over 11 millimetres to global sea levels. That's around a fifth of the total rise.
All of those patterns are entirely consistent with what we would expect as a consequence of the climatic changes next to Antarctica and Greenland. And so, as we've discussed, the melting of Greenland is entirely consistent with the warming air temperatures around Greenland.
In part of Antarctica, scientists say there has been a slight increase in the amount of ice, but it's not enough to counter the total loss elsewhere. And low-lying communities, some of the poorest in the world, will be most at risk from rising sea levels. It is time, say scientists, to act, to try to slow down the impact of global warming if it's not already too late. Emma Hayward, Al Jazeera.